Welcome guys to my YouTube channel Vidya Mandir. Today I am recording this video not for students. This video is for my dear friends, my colleagues, teachers. We all know that in the time of lockdown we have facing many problems because it is very difficult to teach students online because we cannot interact with our students, but we have to do. And the main problem is that we are not able to assessment for learning of our student, that is compulsory. So to resolve this problem, we can use one service which is provided by the Google, that is Google Forms. Here we can prepare an examination form, then we can share it with our students will fill it, then the responses given by our students can be accepted by us. Now for using this service, first of all we have to go to the Google Chrome. Here we have to type Google Forms. I have already searched this term, so I'll choose it. Now go this Google Forms sign in. We go there. So this is the sample form as you see on your screen, as I am already created a form. So you have to go desktop site. Now choose the option that is blank form. Here we get a sample of the form. There is the name of the form. First of all, you change the name of the form. If you want to prepare a science paper, then you can write here science. Now name this form. Automatically has changed because you have given it in the title. So first step is to add the question which asks the name, the class, section or the roll number. So first of all we will add the first question that will ask about the name of the student. So here the student will write his name or her name, so we will choose it a short answer. Write here name. Here the students will write the short answer as his name or her name and then make it required. Means the students have to write it compulsory. Next question will be the class of the student. Here if we are preparing examination form for 10th class and we have 4 sections in 10th class, so we'll write here class, the option first, 10th A, next option 10th B, another option 10th C, next option 10th D. If you have more sections you can add. Now make it also required. Next question will be roll number and it will be a short answer type question because student will choose a number. Here we can remove it here because it is suggested by the Google. Make it also requested. Now this is the pre-format of your examination form. Now it comes to add some questions. So if we want to add multiple choice question here, we just press plus button, write a question. What is the melting point of ice? Here we want to add four options. So first option will be 0 C. Next option will be 100 C. Another option 50 C. Next option none of these. So guys, this is the multiple choice question. If we want to add a fill up here, press plus, add. Next question, because we are asking a fill up answer, we'll choose again short answer right here. What is the chemical name of baking soda? So it may be a one word answer or fill up. You can make it a one word answer. Now if we want to ask a question which has descriptive answer, so we'll add another question, and the type of question will be paragraph, and we can write another question. What is the process to prepare ethanol? So this is the question. Now if we want to add another question, like in this question, if students wants to add a picture, like if it is a derivation from physics, so first of all we'll change the type of question and choose it a file upload. Here go to continue. Now here we add question, drive the first equation of motion. Allow only specific file types and choose here image, so that if students solve this question, he or she will have to solve it on her notebook, then click a picture, and then she or will have to upload it. Now we have choose maximum number of files 1, or if you want to change it 1 to 5 or 10, you can choose. Because it is a short question, we'll let it be 1. Next is maximum file size. You can change it to 1 MB, 10 MB, 1 GB as you want. So we'll keep it 10 MB. Now if we want to another question, again press plus button, and if we want a question which is having many answers, then add this, that is check boxes. Now this type of question will be if you want to ask your student that he must respond multiples, so that you can write a question like this: you can write a question like this: find out acids. Acetic acid, the first option. Another option is baking soda. Another option is hydrogen nitrate. Another option is HCl. So as you all know that there are three answers, so in this question student can choose three answers. This is the short preview of your examination form. Now the time is to know how your students will respond to the questions. Go to the responses. Now click this button. Here one spreadsheet will be created for the responses, means all the answer will be uploaded in a spreadsheet. Here is the spreadsheet in my Google Drive. So as there is no responses and no, so the spreadsheet is empty. Now go back, go to questions. Now this is a time to send it with your students. So for this you have to go to the send button. Now if you want to share it with your students on their email, then you can choose this email option. If you want to share this form with your students using link, then you can use this option. Here you can shorten this. Now click copy button. This link have been copied to the clipboard. Now you can share this link with your students. Either it is with WhatsApp, because all of us using WhatsApp to be in contact with our students, or any other messaging apps. It may be a text message or any way we can use to share this link. Now this is the way by which we can assess our students. If you want any query, if you have any question related to this, you can send me, share any suggestion with me. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay at home. Bye.